How does rigorous hardware testing expose software bugs in prototypes? Imagine building a new electronic device and wondering if everything will work smoothly when it hits the real world. That's where rigorous hardware testing comes into play. It's like giving your prototype a series of tough challenges to see if the software can handle them. When engineers test hardware thoroughly, they simulate real-life conditions and interactions between the physical parts and the software that runs on them. This process helps reveal issues that might not be obvious during regular development. In electrical engineering, prototypes usually include both hardware components like circuit boards and software programs that control them. Sometimes, these two parts don't communicate properly, leading to bugs. Testing methods like in-circuit testing check the electrical properties of the circuit board to find faults such as short circuits or wrong component values. Flying probe testing uses movable probes to test specific points on the circuit without contact, which is useful for smaller production runs. Functional circuit testing makes sure the entire system works as intended by running it through real tasks. When testing hardware, engineers often use simulation techniques like hardware-in-the-loop testing. This method mimics real-world conditions to see how the software responds when interacting with actual hardware. It can expose bugs that only appear under specific circumstances. Interface testing is also key, as it checks how well the hardware communicates with the software. If data doesn't transmit correctly, it can cause bugs that are caught early during testing. Environmental and stress testing push prototypes to their limits. For example, exposing devices to extreme temperatures, humidity, or power surges can reveal software bugs that only show up under these conditions. These tests help ensure the software can handle unexpected situations. The results from these hardware tests are then used to improve the software. Engineers create feedback loops where they analyze test data, debug the software, and refine the prototype. This iterative process makes sure bugs are caught and fixed before the product is finalized. In project management and design, integrating hardware testing early helps prevent costly mistakes later. It ensures the software runs reliably across different hardware setups and conditions. This approach saves time and resources by catching issues early. It also boosts confidence that the final product will perform well in the hands of users. By thoroughly testing hardware, engineers can identify bugs that might otherwise slip through, making the prototype more dependable and ready for real-world use.